How's it going, everybody? Welcome to W&W Mods. If you're new here, my name is Will. I appreciate you stopping by. Today we're going to do a little drone flying with the Mavic 3. We're going to be here at this construction site. It's actually in Danville, Virginia, and it's going to be the new location for a I guess you could say a gambling facility, hotel. It used to be an old mill, and they're converting it into the new casino. So guys, with all that being said, we're gonna get the Mavic 3 up in the air and see if we can take some shots and just kind of document the progress. So guys, if you're curious, if you live in the area, check out the video. We'll try to give you a bird's eye view of what's going on, and stay tuned. It's pretty overcast today. It looks like there was some rain in the area earlier, and we're using the ND filters provided by DJI. I'm going to be using the ND4. It's probably about all we're going to need. Like I say, it is pretty overcast here today, so well, this evening, so probably won't need any more than that. I like to put a little something on there just so I can have a little bit of room to play with the shutter speed. So guys, let's get the Mavic 3 up in there and see what we can see. All right, we are set. We have got our satellites. I'm really glad that DJI did that update to fix the satellite problem with this drone, because it's really a great drone, and to have that satellite issue was really a pain. All right. Let's go see what we can see. All right, well, that was a quick look around the smokestacks that are left. Looks like they finally finished knocking the plant down. I thought they were going to use part of it, but apparently they are not. Well, guys, they say they're going to have this place done by 2024. From the looks of it, I wouldn't think so. So if they're going to get it done by 2024, they better get to building something. But what's ironic, like I say, they are going to leave the smokestacks. And right now it's just a home for the pigeons, as I'm sure you've seen in the video. But I'm sure they're going to make it look all nice when it's all said and done. So we're going to come back periodically and fly over and check their progress. I flew over a couple of months ago and some of the building was still standing. If you, I'll try to drop a link in the description for that particular video, and you can see what it looked like before it became a big hole in the ground like it is now. But anyway, guys, we're going to go check out another location. We're going to go down to the river and fly around the dam for a few minutes. So guys, come on, come with me. It's like we've got some company. Some other flying fowl. We're at the river access for the Dan River, and I'm gonna finish up another battery, do a little flying of the small dam that's just down the way there. We've got rain coming. I just checked the radar, so I've got a little bit of a window. I'm going to be able to get up and get a few more shots of the river, some of this area here in Danville, Virginia. So guys, let me get a quick shot of the dam and stay tuned. Looks like I've made a few friends while I was here. And I can feel the rain starting, so although these guys don't mind being in the water, the Mavic 3, not so much. So we're gonna get the Mavic back and we're gonna call it a night because it really didn't turn out the way that I wanted. It's been a little overcast, cloudy. As you can see, the rain on the river, I don't know if you can see the raindrops or not, but they are falling, so we've got to get the drone back. Well, we're back, safe and sound. That's gonna just about do it for this particular video. Guys, I know it really wasn't much, but you never know what you might catch. So with this video, we're gonna bring it to a close. And if you like what you've seen, check out the rest of our videos on our channel. We're all the time trying to do something with the car, something vehicle related, or something drone related. So if this interested you, please like, subscribe, drop us a comment down below, and I've got some future videos, like I said, coming up with the, I want to showcase the ND filters by DJI, and I've also got the new DJI mic system that I've been using to record some of my videos, and I'm going to give you an honest review on that. So guys, please stay tuned for those particular videos, and with all that being said, we'll see you on the next one.